Right. I'm back. Walked into a little vine. And you can really hear the creek from here. And this looks completely different too when all the leaves are up on the trees instead of up on the ground. Not too soggy through here, so the trail drains well for now. As long as the dogs don't end up into the drain, we're okay. The trail makes multiple turns. So you can really hear the creek from here. So if the dogs are smart enough not to go in. And there goes Otto. Not sure where he thinks he's going. So there's the house through there. We're gonna work on putting a little orchard in through here as soon as we get rid of all the privet and clean things up. It's nice to know that we don't get excessive water through there. We've never looked. They did make it over the other side. Not sure how they did that without getting washed up. Otto! Otto, no! I'll be back.